Uncertainty in measurement. First one is scientific notation. What is mean by scientific notation? If measurements are too large or too small, it is very difficult to represent them. In such cases, we are using this scientific notation. This scientific notation is an exponential notation which is used to represent numbers. See, we can represent the numbers like this: n into 10 raised to n, where n ranges from 1 to 10, 1 to 10, and small n will be either positive or negative. Okay, take few examples. First one, example, mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. Okay, here capital N will be 9.1 and small n will be minus 31. So we can easily represent that number. It is too small. Okay, another one is Avogadro number, Avogadro constant. Avogadro constant or Avogadro number will be 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, so by using this notation, we can easily represent Avogadro's number. Okay. Next is significant figures. Significant figures. Scientific measurements involving some measuring devices have some degree of uncertainty. Okay, degree of uncertainty. That is, if you are measuring with the same device, you are doing the same experiment 3 or 4 times, we can see that there is a small slight change in the values. This is called as degree of uncertainty. There is uncertainty in the value. The magnitude of this uncertainty depends upon the accuracy of measuring device, or skill of the operator. Okay, skill of the operator. So this value may be either precise or may be accurate. So what do you mean by precision and accuracy? So we can discuss precision and accuracy. What do you mean by precision and accuracy? First, precision. What is mean by precision? Closeness of various measurements for the same quantity. Okay, closeness of various experiments or various measurements, of the same quantity. Okay, or also we can say that how close, if 2 or more measurements are taken, and how close these 2 or more measurements to each other. That closeness is known as precision. Now what do you mean by accuracy? Accuracy. Accuracy means the agreement of a particular value to the true value. Agreement of a particular value to the true value. Or we can say that how close the measured quantities, how close the values obtained to its true value. Okay, to the true value. Okay. So the agreement of a particular value to the true value, okay, is called as accuracy. Now let us take one example so we can easily understand the this about this precision and accuracy. Let us take two students, student A and student B, doing an experiment, okay, and the true value of the first experiment N is 4 and true value of the experiment done by A is 4 and true value of experiment done by student B is 3.5, okay, and now they had done the measurements in three times they had done the experiment, and first case student A got the value 4.01, then second case 4.02 and third case 3.99. Here student B got the value 3.6, 3.7 and 3.8. Now we can easily explain whether these two values are accurate or precise. Okay, first here we can see that all these three values are very close, only 0.01 difference. So the closeness of the measurements is called as the precision. So these two values are very close, that means this value is precise. And what about accuracy? We can see that this 4.01 is very close to 4. Also this is also very close to 4 and 3.99 is also very close to 4. That means the agreement, accuracy means the agreement of the closeness, the agreement of a particular value to the true value. Okay, so these values are very close to this 4. That means these values are accurate also. What will be in the case of student B? Here we can see that these are the three values. These are almost close to each other. Okay, only 0.1 difference. So we can say that the value is precise. But what about accuracy? See, there is a 0.1 difference here, then 0.2 difference here, and these two values are too far. There is almost 0.3 difference. That means that it is away. It is not too close to these values. These values are not very close to this true value. That means they are not accurate. Okay. Okay. This is an example. This is an example for precision and accuracy. Okay. Next, what is meant by significant figures? Significant figures are meaningful divides which are known with certainty. Significant figures are meaningful digits. Okay, they are meaningful digits and are known with certainty. Okay, or which are known with certainty. Okay, so they are meaningful digits. So uncertainty in the experimental or calculated values can be indicated. So we know there are uncertainty in the values of experimental values and calculated values. There is uncertainty between the values. So this can be indicated by mentioning the number of significant figures. Okay. So how can we determine the number of significant figures? The total number of digits in a number, including the last digit whose value is uncertain, is called as the number of significant figures. So, what do you mean by the number of significant figures? The total number of digits in a number, including the last value, including the last digit. Okay. So while calculating the number of significant figures, the total numbers including the last digit whose whose value is uncertain. Is called as the number of significant figures. Okay. It's called as the number of significant figures. So now using this we can calculate the number of significant figures. Okay, so uncertainty in the measurements can be indicated like this. In the experimental and calculated values can be indicated by using the number of significant figures. Okay.